So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on disable. Now once you disable that, you want to right click on it again and then click on enable. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to right click on your network adapter and then click on properties. You want to find Internet Protocol version 4. You want to untick this box. Make sure that's unticked and then click on OK. See if that works. And you could also try to tick it again. So if you right click on it and then click on properties, you want to tick Internet Protocol version 4 again and then click on OK. See if that works. For the next step, you want to go to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in netsh space int space IP space reset.log and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space interface space TCP space set space global space auto tuning equals disabled and then click on enter. And now you just want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.